Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be walking you guys through my wig prep process. I honestly feel like this video is kind of unnecessary only because there are like millions and millions of wig videos on YouTube, but I got like a ton of requests to walk you guys through my very simple, very basic wig prep process. Yeah, it's just super simple, y'all. Like, I don't have time to do like a very like detailed prep. Like, I don't like braiding. I just try to keep my steps as simple as possible. So y'all will see me walk through step by step as far as styling my natural hair and also applying my wig. So let's go ahead and just jump straight into it. So I am starting on freshly washed hair. Whenever I wear my wigs, I try to wash my hair like every week, no more than every 2 weeks. So yeah, these are my curls. My hair is growing so much. I honestly can't believe how like fast my hair is growing, y'all, but clearly this wig life is working, so I'm not mad at it, not one bit. Now, what I like to do first is just section out some leave out. Now, this step right here, y'all, is 100% optional, but personally for me, I just think like wigs look so much more natural whenever you have it just a little bit, not a whole lot, but a little bit of leave out right here around the edges. So that way, if the wind blows, it's not like super wiggy. It just looks way more natural. So first I will go in and create my part. All right, so we have our part, and now I'm going to just section off a little bit of my edges for my leave out. All right, so we have our leave out. This is how the leave out on this side looks, and this is how the leave out on this side looks. So I like to just twist the leave out while I finish off the rest of my hair. So now we are moving on to the rest of this hair. And y'all, my hair is so thick, like, I don't know how I get it to lay so flat without braiding, but somehow I do. And I will show y'all how I do it. Usually I'll do about 6 flat twists total. So I will just section off a really large section of hair, and it's not neat at all. It's not neat at all. Probably should be neat, but like I said, whenever I'm doing this on a regular basis, I am trying to rush through it. I don't have time to really sit there and like part every single part perfectly. I just don't got the time. So my fingers will have to do, and I use about this much of hair. For my leave-in conditioner, I'll be using the Mielle Organics White Peony leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in. And it's also super easy to apply and get your hair very moisturized. And I just smooth it in. And instead of applying leave-in all over my hair, I like to apply leave-in to each section, so that way I know that every strand of hair is being coated in leave-in conditioner. So that way my hair will be moisturized while it is tucked under my wig. For our styler, I'll be using the Mielle Organics Moisturizing Avocado Hair Milk. Love this product as well. And we are going to take a pretty decent amount of styler because why not? Why not? Next, I'll take my Denman brush and just smooth my hair. And I think this step is necessary because it really gets your hair nice and smooth, which means your flat twist will be nice and smooth, which means everything will lay a lot flatter. And now I will just simply flat twist. This isn't a flat twist tutorial, but pretty much I'm just twisting my hair and grabbing more hair as I twist. And we'll just twist all the way to the bottom. And there you have it. Our first flat twist took like less than a minute to do. And now I just go in and add probably like 4 to 5 more flat twists throughout the rest of my hair. I am done flat twisting and I have a total of 6 flat twists in my hair. And they're pretty chunky, but that is a-okay. I have this t-shirt here and I want to absorb the excess product because I don't want it to kind of like seep through into the wig. So I'm just taking my t-shirt and any of the excess leave-in conditioner or styler, I'm just absorbing it. I'm not absorbing the moisture in my hair, I'm just absorbing the extra product that's sitting on top. Before we move on to my leave out, I want to pin up these twists so that way they aren't hanging and it makes it much easier to apply my wig. So what I'll do is I will just take a twist, I will twist it really taut so that way it's like flat to my scalp, and then I will just take the ends that we have here and pin it against my scalp. So here is the end of my hair. Y'all see it, it's just hanging out, and I will pin it against the scalp. Bam. And then for these right here, instead of pinning these upwards, I will typically pin these like down. So instead of taking it and pinning it like this, like how I did the others, I will just twist it really taut and then pin it under. So it's kind of going under here. All right, so you pin that one and then we just have one more twist left. So I will twist and twist and twist and pin it down here as well. Bam. So y'all can see up close how everything is pinned down, and I will turn around to the back so you guys can see how it looks in the back. Now let's move on to our leave out. And for my leave out, I'll go ahead and apply that same leave-in conditioner and styler. And since this is our leave out and because I'm wearing a straight wig, I do apply some heat to this part of my leave out. And of course, if you aren't good with heat, just skip this step. But personally for me, I know that I won't experience heat damage. And because I know I did apply some leave-in conditioner and styler, my hair will be totally okay. And I don't use super hot heat either. It's just enough to get my hair straight. Our leave out is straightened. There we go. And before I apply my wig, I like to apply a little bit of some hair growth oil to my scalp just to make sure that my scalp does not get dry while it is under the wig or under the wig cap. This is a very important step. Plus, it's just good for hair growth. So, I mean, that's a win in itself. The final step in the wig process is to, of course, apply our wig. So I like to apply a wig cap first. And I'll just slap it on there. This is my wig. I've been wearing it now for a little bit over a week, but I love it. Wait till y'all see how it looks on. It is so cute. So what I'll do is I'll just take my elastic band. The elastic band is so necessary for me, at least, because it keeps my wig snug and in place all throughout the day. Plus it just makes applying it super easy in the mornings. So what I'll do is I will just take the elastic band, apply it over my head, and just toss it back. And then of course I have to line my wig up with the part itself, with my part. So that should be pretty good. And then for some edge control, because that is a must to get our wig looking like super laid, I'm going to use the Miele Organics Honey and Ginger Flexible Hold Edge Gel. This stuff is amazing. I love it. And if you have like type 4 hair specifically, this edge gel does wonders. Like, it really gets those edges laid, and it does last for a very long time. So I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Can't forget the toothbrush. And I do like to tuck the hair behind my ears. That's just a personal preference for me. That's it. Super simple, very beginner friendly, very basic, or at least I think it's basic. I don't do like a ton of steps. I don't use got2b glue. I don't use like holding spray. I just try to keep it as simple as I possibly can. That is my wig prep. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. As always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.